Washington, D.C. is kind of an interesting one. It's not a state, but it acts like one when it comes to forming an LLC. And for some reason, a lot of international founders specifically search for DC LLC without really knowing how it works or what it costs. So let's clear that up now, because DC is straightforward in some ways, but it's definitely not the cheapest option once you look at the full picture. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in Washington, D.C. in 2026, what the fees actually look like, how compliance works, and whether it makes sense for your business. Hey, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. founders, expats, digital nomads, and non-U.S. residents form LLCs remotely without dealing with confusing state systems. And DC is one of those places where people assume it's simple until they see the fees. All right, before we get into DC specifically, let's zoom out for a second. An LLC, limited liability company, is all about separation. It separates you from your business. If your company runs into legal trouble or debt, your personal assets are generally protected. That's the core benefit. And from a tax standpoint, LLCs are flexible. A single-member LLC is taxed like a sole proprietorship by default. A multi-member LLC is taxed like a partnership. And if it makes sense later, you can elect S-Corp taxation. So you get liability protection without corporate complexity. Now let's shift to Washington, D.C. The filing fee to form an LLC in D.C. is $220. That's paid to the D.C. Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection when you file your articles of organization. So upfront, it's already higher than many states. But here's where it really stands out. D.C. requires a biennial report, meaning every 2 years, and that report costs $300. Yeah, $300. So when you're evaluating DC, you're not just looking at the formation cost, you're looking at relatively high ongoing compliance costs as well. All right, so how do you actually form your LLC? It starts with your business name. Your LLC name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in Washington, D.C., and it must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, at the end. So it can't just be Capital Consulting. It needs to be Capital Consulting, LLC. Before committing, search the DC Business Database to confirm availability. If you're not ready to file yet, you can reserve your name for a limited period for a small fee. Once your name is handled, let's talk about your registered agent. Every DC LLC must have a registered agent with a physical street address in the district, no P.O. boxes. This is the person or company responsible for receiving legal documents and official notices on behalf of your business. If you live in DC, you can act as your own registered agent, but your address becomes public record, and you must be available during normal business hours. That's why many founders choose a professional registered agent service. It keeps your information private and ensures nothing important gets missed. Now, moving forward to the official formation, you'll file your articles of organization with the DC Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection. The filing fee is $220. In that filing, you'll include your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and management structure, whether your LLC is member managed or manager managed. Once approved, your LLC is officially active. Now, even though DC doesn't require you to submit it to the government, you should absolutely create an operating agreement. This document outlines ownership, decision-making, profit distribution, and what happens if a member exits. Even if you're a single-member LLC, it strengthens your liability protection and makes your business look more legitimate to banks and partners. Next up, your EIN. Your employer identification number comes from the IRS, and it's completely free. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, and file federal taxes. If you're a U.S. resident with an SSN, you can apply online and get it quickly. If you're outside the U.S., the process takes a bit longer, but is still manageable. Now let's talk about compliance, because this is where DC really differs. Every 2 years, your LLC must file a biennial report. The fee is $300. This keeps your business information updated with the district. If you miss that filing, your LLC can fall out of good standing or even be administratively dissolved. So while it's not annual, the cost is significantly higher than many states when it does come due. Depending on your business activity, you may also need to register for local taxes or obtain licenses. DC has its own regulatory environment, and certain businesses require specific licensing. Finally, once your LLC is approved and you've received your EIN, open a dedicated business bank account. Do not mix personal and business funds. That's one of the fastest ways to weaken your liability protection. Banks will typically request your articles of organization, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, and valid identification. If you're operating remotely, you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address. So let's recap. To start an LLC in Washington, D.C., choose a unique name and confirm availability. Appoint a registered agent with a D.C. street address. File your articles of organization and pay the $220 state fee. Create an operating agreement. Obtain your EIN. Register for any required taxes or licenses, and file your biennial report every 2 years for $300. DC is unique. It's not a state, but it functions like one for business formation. Higher upfront cost, higher ongoing compliance cost. So it's usually chosen for location-specific reasons, not because it's the cheapest option. You can absolutely handle the process yourself. But if you'd rather skip the paperwork and compliance tracking, we can help. At Business Anywhere, we'll form your DC LLC for free. You just pay the $220 state fee. And we include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost. We'll also help with your EIN and send reminders for your biennial report so nothing slips through the cracks. So I'm curious, are you considering DC because you're based there or just exploring options? Drop a comment and tell me what you're building. And I'll see you in the next one.